Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make some small cups. This is a quick and easy snack to make for your loved ones. It's only 5 ingredients. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 cup of crushed tennis biscuits, add in a 1/4 cup of icing sugar. Give that a mix to incorporate the ingredients. Add in 6 tablespoons of melted butter and mix until well combined. Spoon the mixture into a greased mini cupcake tray. Press the mixture into each case. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Once your cups come out of the oven, transfer onto a baking tray. Place 2 blocks of chocolate into each cup. I'm using Cadbury. It is the best chocolate, but hey, that's just my opinion. And let me know what your favorite chocolate or chocolate brand is in the comments. I'd love to know. Place a marshmallow on top of the chocolate. Place back into the oven at the same temperature for 5 minutes or until the marshmallows are puffed and slightly golden on the top. A quick and easy snack that can be taken on picnics or to given to someone special this Valentine's Day. Let's break into this one. I want a longer marshmallow pull, so let's try that again. Yes, that looks so yummy.